Hello and welcome to another episode of the Cambridgeshire Angler. Today we're fishing a very large gravel pit. I haven't fished this since last year, probably around the same time last year actually, during the close season. It does have some nice bream in it, no doubles as far as I know, but just want to try and get me arm back in, if you like, into fishing for the bream again. So quite a big place. You can only fish half of it. I think the other half is more like a nature reserve. So this is what we have. So there's way over the back there. We can't fish any of that over there. But that over there, that's not actually the other side. That's the central island that's in the middle of it. So that goes way over there, all the way around. So yeah, goes around that obviously like that's just a big central island. So so I'm gonna give this a go. Chuck it out probably 3/4 away over there actually. I'll get clipped up and that, and see if we can get amongst some at least some silverfish or something. I've had some nice rudd out of it before actually. You never know, they might show up. But yeah, we'll give it a go. Catch up with you soon. Well, we're perched on a bit of a precarious edge here. Typical gravel pit, loads of big pebbles and stuff in front of me, and then it just drops off. So hopefully we can get a few bits and bobs out. If I can find the fish. The setup's definitely different to the usual. I've had to obviously step it up quite a bit because I'm chucking it quite a long way. So this different rod. This is actually, well, it's a twin tip, but it's more of a barbel rod. It's an 11-foot Dinsmore's actually, match plus barbel rod, but it is pretty good rod to chuck it a long way with. So I'm using that on 6-pound main line, got the usual open end feeder down to 3.8. That is that bottom actually. So hopefully we find a few slabs, and see how we get on. I think I'm going to have a bit of trouble keeping this accurate. Yeah, I do have another rod set up as well for close range. It's just an 8-foot quiver with a 3000 size reel on it, just for closer in here, short range, because I have caught fish here before, close range, surprisingly decent sized fish as well. So yeah, that's just in case I do bring it in, because it is quite hard to keep it accurate out there at that distance with this crosswind. And it's been a while actually since I've fish feeder like this, so just trying to get used to it again. And hopefully I can keep judging it right and get it as accurate as I can. But I have a feeling it's not going to be easy. But we'll crack on. Wind. Just about hit the clip. that down. Too much bloody time watching it in the air. My problem. It doesn't help. Plenty of geese around here. Really don't think I'm anywhere near accurate enough out there with this crosswind. Nowhere near accurate enough, he says, as he brings in a skimmer. So, well, I found something out there. I have found something. I have found an alien skimmer. So, hopefully, some bigger ones out there. There you go. Ooh, that wind is a bad one. We just hit the clip. Gonna have to be dropped down literally just into the water, because every time that wind blows, giving me false indications. Real pain. Yeah. I'm not going to drop it down any further than that. What's going in? And the one little skimmer, so the fish are feeding. Well, it's actually just turning into the perfect days. It was very bright earlier, but now the sun's gone in. It's clouded over. Got a nice chop on the water. I mean, it's perfect for bream, really. All you need now is an angler that's got an accurate cast, and you might have bream. I've been priming a closer into it just in case I can't get this. Yeah, it will take me a little while to get back into it. It's been a long while since I've been chucking it long. I think the last time I've really chucking it long was when I fished Ferry Meadows. They'll probably actually the same time last year. Nothing else has really been at that much sort of range. On the river I've done a bit, but not the sort of range I need to be here. But yeah, see how it goes. The sun's come out. Probably not for long though. Yeah, so it's quite nippy. I think it's only 8 degrees today. The wind chill's been making it colder. Alright, back out there. Getting better. Well, the weather's taken a turn for the worse, and it's chucking it down. So I've had to get the old restrictor out. There's no way I'm going to be chucking it out there with this above me. So I'm going to have to bring everything in closer. And it's starting to get really choppy now. But yeah, I'll stick it out. I don't think it's going to be particularly long. I think it's only a shower, but it's quite heavy. Hopefully I'll be alright, actually. I have to probably hang on to the brolly a bit. But yes, we'll carry on at the moment. Blimey, it's choppy now. Oh. The forecast said nothing about rain today. Nothing. It's just difficult. Luckily I was actually able to bring the car close enough to the swim, which you can't usually do, but it's been dry enough to be able to do it. Let's hope it doesn't get too wet or I won't be getting out of it in the car. So yes, we'll see. That's a good point actually, I could end up getting stuck. Bit of blue sky. Hopefully that's it. And I can get this bloody brolly down. It's going to be dodgy chucking it out. It's a bit of a step I can step down into, hopefully, without falling in. Hit the clip. Oh. see the rod on it, don't you? You see it anyway. So yeah, blimey. Yeah, I turned off the camera because I didn't want to waste too much battery. Had a big drop back, hit it, and this bloody great bream had it. A bit of a precarious position here. But he seems quite docile, I think it'll be fine. But yeah, this guy's had it. I'll tell you what, he's living rough as a brick as well. Absolutely covered in spawning tubercles. Yeah, he's a pretty big fish. Oh, lovely fish. And it fought hard as well. Actually did fight hard. I'm under the brolly here, so the light's not very good. I'll get him rested and I'll try and get a better look at him. Oh, lovely fish. So, yeah, had that lovely, covered in spawning tubercles bream. Here he is. Get a better look at him now. I'm out from under that brolly. So dark when you're under them things. And here he is. And it is a he. He is absolutely covered in them tubercles. Yeah, very pale. They always are in here, in this particular gravel pit. Always really pale. They look like giant skimmers, to be honest. I haven't had one that's dark yet anyway. But yeah, there he is. Let's get him back and hopefully, you never know, there might be another one like that out there. That'd be awesome. Let's get him back. Well, let's let Mr. Bramus go. And off you go. Back down to the gravel pit depths. Well, conditions have changed massively now. That wind's dropped a lot. I've actually got some calm water in front of me, so I haven't got to constantly watch chopping waves where the tip is. So yeah, it's made a huge difference actually. It's actually quite comfortable now. Doesn't even feel that cold anymore. Sun's out of it. It's alright. So, I think I'll stick around for another hour or so. I think I have had that nice bream. We have to get this back out there, see if we can get another one of those slabs. And it's much better now the wind's gone. I can actually hit that spot every time. Perfect. That is perfecto. And that is where I had that nice bream from. So, hopefully, we shall get another. time I got a new flask, I think. Some sort of weird bubbling going on around the edge there every time I put something hot in it. Very weird. So yeah, I've got on this new ticket that I got, the Wellingborough ticket, there's a couple of really good looking pits that they definitely hold doubles. 100% they hold double figure Bream. So when the fuel problem's gone, which we're having at the moment, it was a nightmare. I was supposed to go up there today, but I wasn't going to risk going all that way out there. I've got enough fuel to get there and back, but I wasn't going to risk using all that fuel. I may not be able to get it. I drove past several petrol stations on the way up here, and yeah, they were all out, apart from one that had a massive queue. So yeah, I didn't risk it. And when that's all settles down, I'll start going out fishing on that other ticket. I'll fish the Peterborough ticket because that's not too far from me. But I will do that. This is the Brampton ticket, the one I'm on now. So yeah, hopefully we'll get out there soon. Got an interesting, well, might be interesting, little break coming up over the Easter holiday. I've booked one of those little glamping pods next to a lake, but I think it's full of small fish, you know, like little carp, and I think it's barbel in there as well. The dreaded stillwater barbel. Yeah, so that'll be, I will put a video together for that while I'm there, might as well. It may be just catch them on the centre pin or something different. Little bugs are out now. After my tea. I don't know why. It ain't tasting like that. Christ. Yeah. Well, it's happened again. Literally every time I turn that thing off to conserve the battery, tip goes around. Anyway, this has got a little bit of a hybridy look around this fish. Definitely a bit hybridy looking. Quite long, and it's the anal fin that gives them away usually, isn't it? It's a bit hard trying to hold him up here with the net below him. But there he is. You can just about see him in the dappled sunlight. Yeah, definitely a hybridy look about that fish. Lovely. Well, little margin rod's gone off now, isn't it? So I need to pick that up. What we got here? Another, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to net that. He's having a right little scrap about as well. Come here, you. Come here. Looks come out in the net. Yes, another. That's a skimmer, that is for sure. Just about to show you normally. There he is, another skimmer. Whacking his tail about. Getting back. Back you go. Well, certainly I'm on the feed now. Another Nasty looking cloud coming this way. Ooh, that looks nasty. Do I cut and run? That's the thing. Or do I get the old restrictor back out? That is the question. Because that is 100% very heavy rain. Just as typical, isn't it? Just as the fish come on the feed, the weather turns. And it's getting quite late as well. Oh dear. Dilemma. They are on the feed though. Yeah, looks like I'm going to be in for it. Oh well. It is what it is. I'm not going to get packed away in time, I don't think. I might have to stick around. Just put the brolly back up again. I have to. Well, I was just about to pack up and, yep, another little one of those streamlined skimmers. So yeah, another one of those guys. I think I will pack up because, well, I'll show you this. This is what I'm looking at coming over. Yeah. Not so sure I want to hang around with that. Unless I put the brolly back up again, which, let's get this guy back. Okay. Yeah, not really looking to mess with that, so well, decided to stick it out a bit longer. The fish are, well, they were on the feed, so I thought, well, stick it out. Oh, here we go again. Stick it for another hour. It is about to rain again, definitely, so I'll change my coat, something a bit warmer. And yeah, there is activity, so yeah, I'll do one more hour, see what we can get. Hopefully not get too wet. Probably have to put that brolly back up again, but we will see. I'm on the Bream. Oh, drop back. Yep, I think we have something. Or did I strike too early? No, there's a fish on it. It's funny, you can't really feel them until they get closer in. Well, what have we got now? Now he's a skimmer. Oh no. Just about to swing that. Careful, careful. Another skimmer. Yeah, I reckon there's loads of those out there. They're a lovely looking fish. They're all immaculate. There's nothing wrong with any of these fish. Really nice looking. Back you go. Horrific. Oh god, we're back to the ridiculous side wind and the, well, yet more inaccurate casting by me. Even though I tried to chuck it that way, so it come around that way, I chucked it that way and it's ended up over there. Wind is literally going right through me at the moment, even with this coat on. Put that out, because that's not helping me. Go in there. Bloody cold plastic on my head. We are back under the restrictor again, and yes, there is the brolly pole in the way, but it'll have to do just for now. I don't think the rain's going to last long. There's blue sky literally just there. Funny how it just started to chuck it down right at the end of when I thought the rain had gone. The cloud had literally just passed over, and now it's chucking it down, so I have to wait for this to go by. Hopefully it's not too long. I've only got about half hour left, but I want to say that's the shower and that'll soon be over. Come on, rain, go away. Sun's out now. Oh, there's a rainbow over there. You're going to be able to see it. Can I adjust that? Don't know, maybe. Brolly will probably be nice. There's a heron over there as well. Well, it's all going on over there. Unfortunately, you can't see nothing. I like a brolly. Okay. Come on, another nice bream. That'd be great. Tell you what, I would really love to catch a tench out of here. But oh, here we go. As I say, right on cue, a fish. Won't be a tench though, that's for sure. I know, well, there must be tench in here, but you just don't hear many out. This is nothing huge. Not the speed I'm bringing this in. What have we got? Oh, another one of them guys. Another skimmer. Yeah, another one of these guys. And this one's eating it. Pretty good. Liberate him of that. Yeah, another little skimmer. Ooh, he's a lively one. There he is. Let's get him back before he finds his own way back anyway. So yeah, definitely, I mean, as soon as it stopped raining and all that wind went away and it calmed down, back on the feed again. Very strange. Right, here we go again. Boom. At least I can actually cast it where I want it now. So that's that then. I'm going to get out of here before it starts chucking it down again. Yeah, not bad day actually. Had that nice bream and a few other skimmers and I think a couple of hybrids. So yeah, that's that. Not bad at all. So if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe, all that business that the YouTube things do. And I'll see you again soon. Be some more videos coming up soon, probably quite a few of them I'll try and get done over the bank holiday. Got quite a lot of time off, so hopefully get some interesting ones done then. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy angling.